Standard cookie tracking is failing. In 2026, GoHighLevel advertisers watch up to 40% of actual lead data fragment and go dark before reaching Google Ads. The primary drivers of this data loss are strict privacy updates like iOS app tracking transparency and aggressive browser-based ad blockers, which actively sever the tracking connection the moment a user clicks your ad. This creates a direct financial penalty. Google's smart bidding algorithms require precise data to calibrate target CPA. When they operate blindly on partial conversion counts, they inevitably misallocate budget and suppress bids on your best traffic sources. To restore missing data, we bypass cookies entirely by building a closed-loop bridge between GoHighLevel and Google Ads. When a user lands, we capture their Google Click ID. At form submission, we encrypt their email, phone, and name, sending these secure identifiers straight to Google. Establishing this server-side infrastructure creates the technical foundation required to scale profitable campaigns in a cookieless landscape. Let's build the pipeline. Before making any technical changes, verify that you have admin access to your Google Ads account, an active GoHighLevel funnel, Google Tag Manager installed on your landing pages, and a connected GA4 property. Start inside Google Ads. Open the left-hand navigation panel, click on Goals, then Conversions, and finally select Settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Enhanced Conversions for Leads. Check the box to toggle this setting to the on position and save. Next, return to the Conversions Summary page. Open the specific conversion action you want to track, like your GoHighLevel form submission, and click to accept the customer data terms. Do not skip this authorization. If these specific legal terms remain unaccepted, Google Ads silently blocks all of your incoming enhanced conversion data, and it will not throw an error message to warn you. Accepting this data processing agreement officially signals to Google that your account is legally permitted to receive the secure data bridge we're building. With the ad account ready, switch over to your GoHighLevel form builder. This form is the exact entry point where we catch the tracking data. Add a new custom hidden field to your form. You must name this field exactly GCLID field. In the field settings, enable the option to auto-populate via URL parameters. This solves a specific structural obstacle. GoHighLevel forms load inside isolated iframes. Because of this, Google Tag Manager cannot see the click ID in the URL at the moment a user hits submit. We have to physically pull the ID into this hidden field so the form can capture it. By catching that click ID the second the user lands, we create a permanent anchor. This ties the future CRM lead back to the exact ad they clicked. Now we need to connect the form to the ad account. Open your Google Tag Manager workspace. Start by creating a standard conversion linker tag. This ensures your tracking parameters persist across the user session. Set it to fire on all pages and save it. Next, navigate to Variables and create a new one. Under the Configuration menu, select the user-provided data type and set the data source to manual. Here, map your existing data layer variables to their corresponding fields. Assign DLV GHL email to the email field, DLV GHL phone to the phone number field, and map the first name field accordingly. Listen carefully to this rule. Never pass your raw email or phone variables directly into the Google Ads conversion tag itself. Instead, the user-provided data variable acts as a strict safeguard. Before leaving the browser, GTM applies SHA-256 hashing to the data. Because this protocol is irreversible, raw customer data remains under your control. This confirms the conversion's origin while maintaining compliance with CCPA and GDPR. With the privacy layer built, create your final Google Ads conversion tracking tag. Set the tag's trigger to fire on your GHL form submit event. Finally, locate the checkbox for Include User-Provided Data from your website. Select the hashed variable you just created and save your workspace. To validate the technical mechanics of the pipeline, click Preview in Google Tag Manager to launch the Tag Assistant. Navigate to your live GoHighLevel landing page and submit a test lead. Be sure to use a valid test email address that is associated with a Google account. In the Tag Assistant window, inspect the timeline on the left. Click on the GHL Form Submit event. Check the Data Layer tab to verify that your tag fired and the click ID was successfully captured from your hidden field. Keep in mind that GTM Preview mode only verifies the transmission of the data payload. It cannot tell you if Google successfully processed that data on their servers. To confirm server-side processing, wait 48 hours for the algorithm to catch up. Then, open your Google Ads conversion action page. Look at the Diagnostics tab. You are aiming for an enhanced conversions match rate reading above 60%. Achieving a match rate above 60% mathematically proves your tracking gap is closed. Your smart bidding algorithm is no longer blind, and you have officially restored the high-quality data stream necessary to drive profitable, scaled ad spend.